Hey friend, if you clicked on this video, maybe life's been heavy lately. Maybe you've lost hope, lost direction, felt invisible, defeated, or like the world just keeps punching you when you're down. I get it. Maybe you don't feel like yourself anymore. But what if I told you, you haven't lost power? You just forgot who you are. You're not a victim. You're a soul with potential, with light, with strength. And today, we're going to begin unlocking that again. Not with words alone, but with feeling, belief, and intention. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, I want you to feel a spark, a fragment of hope, a sense that maybe, just maybe, things can turn around. Why so many lose hope and why that's normal. Let's keep it real. Life throws curveballs, loss, heartbreak, disappointment, endless struggle. When pain piles up, hope can slip away like sand through your fingers. That's not weakness. That's human. Psychology tells us that hope isn't just a nice to have, it's a resilience tool. Research shows that hope helps people cope with adversity, build emotional strength, and bounce back from trauma. People with hope tend to respond to challenges with flexibility, optimism, and renewed purpose. But when you keep replaying pain, reliving failures, expecting rejection, assuming the worst, your brain rewires too. Neural pathways adapt to stress, negativity, fear. That's why affirmations, real, heartfelt ones, can be a game changer. They don't promise instant miracles, but they begin to rebuild. They retrain your mind, shift your self-image, and remind you, you deserve better. So if you've been through hell, heartache, or hardship, you're not broken beyond repair. You're simply in the beginning phase of rediscovery. The science behind positive affirmations and hope. Here's evidence. According to multiple psychological studies, affirmations activate parts of your brain involved in self-processing and reward response, helping reshape negative thought habits. New Health Journal +2 Psychology, Today +2. When you regularly tell yourself uplifting statements, you train your brain to favor optimism, self-worth, and resilience. Over time, those neural pathways strengthen. You become mentally tougher. Explore Psychology +1. Positive thinking and hope aren't just fluff. Studies link optimism to better stress management, improved health, and greater emotional stability. Psychology Today +2. Reality Pathing +2. In short, what you speak and think shapes your internal reality, which then influences your choices, your feelings, and eventually your external life. So yes, affirmations work, but only when you pair them with sincerity, consistency, and emotional weight. That's why this video isn't just about repeating words. It's about feeling them, letting them land in your bones, like seeds planted deep. Affirmation 1. I deserve love, peace, and abundance. Let that sink in. Feel the weight settle in your chest. How to use affirmations to rebuild hope and magnetism. Pick a quiet time and space. Early morning or just before sleep works best. Minimize distractions. Choose 2 to 3 affirmations that truly resonate with your pain or desire. Avoid fluff. Speak them aloud or whisper them quietly. Feel the words. Sense them in your body, chest, heart, belly. Emotion over words. Visualize the change. See yourself healed, happy, abundant. Imagine light, warmth, relief. Anchor them in daily life. When doubt or fear creeps in, return to the affirmation. Breathe. Remember your value. This consistent practice can slowly reshape your belief system, from I'm nothing to I am worthy, from they left me broken to I stand whole. That's how you shift frequency. That's how you rewire your autopilot. That's how you begin to command a new reality. Affirmation 2. I am worthy of fresh new beginnings. Affirmation 3. My heart heals, my soul rises. Affirmation 4. I attract light, love, and prosperity. Real talk. It's not easy. It's real work. Look, this isn't magic fairy dust. It's not say this and everything will be perfect. If you're seeking instant escape, you may be disappointed. But if you're ready for rebuilding, healing, growth, then this is for you. There will be days of doubt, nights of fear. But each time you choose the affirmation, though your mind wants to rewind old pain, you win. You're training your mind like a muscle. Muscle gets sore when rebuilt, but strength comes after. Pair this with real action. Self-care, setting boundaries, seeking help when needed. Walking with purpose, building new habits. That's the balance, spirit and ground. Affirmation 5. I reclaim my power now. Affirmation 6. I rise stronger every new day. Walking out, hope, living the shift. As you rebuild inside, your outer world begins to shift. You begin noticing small wins, a kind word, a fresh opportunity, a new connection. Things you ignored when you were numb now stand out. You're learning to trust again, to expect good again, and that expectation plants fertile ground for miracles. When you merge daily affirmations, plus self-care, plus hopeful expectation, plus inspired action, you become magnetic. Your vibe changes, people feel it, doors open, energy flows. You don't just survive, you begin to thrive. Affirmation 7. I welcome miracles into my life. Affirmation 8. I deserve joy, growth, and abundance. Affirmation 9. My spirit is healed and whole. Affirmation 10. I live in hope, power, and love. Now that we've claimed these affirmations, let's go over them again one by one. Say them with feeling and intention that they are already here and a part of you. I deserve love, peace, and abundance. I am worthy of fresh new beginnings. My heart heals, my soul rises. I attract light, love, and prosperity. I reclaim my power now. I rise stronger every new day. I welcome miracles into my life. I deserve joy, growth, and abundance. My spirit is healed and whole. I live in hope, power, and love. Great job! Let's keep that repetition going to really instill this into your being. I deserve love, peace, and abundance. I am worthy of fresh new beginnings. My heart heals, my soul rises. I attract light, love, and prosperity. I reclaim my power now. I rise stronger every new day. I welcome miracles into my life. I deserve joy, growth, and abundance. My spirit is healed and whole. I live in hope, power, and love. Feel that shift? Now let's repeat these once more to really kickstart your day. I deserve love, peace, and abundance. I am worthy of fresh new beginnings. My heart heals, my soul rises. I attract light, love, and prosperity. I reclaim my power now. I rise stronger every new day. I welcome miracles into my life. I deserve joy, growth, and abundance. My spirit is healed and whole. I live in hope, power, and love. I want you to pause after this video. Take a breath. Let your body soak in the words and feelings. Then write down one honest affirmation from today that feels like truth. Keep it where you'll see it often. If you're ready to walk out of the darkness and step into possibility, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a comment below. Tell us which affirmation stirred something in you. You haven't lost hope forever. You just took a detour. But now you're back on the path. You're rebuilding. You're rising. Welcome home. Affirmation Station.